I open the garage door. I open the garage door.
I turn on the light. I turn on the light.
I check the oil. I check the oil. See, the level is good.
I check the tire pressure. I check the tire pressure.
I wash my car. I wash my car.
I dry the car with a towel. I dry the car with a towel. I change the windshield wiper. I change the windshield wiper. I fill the gas tank. I fill the gas tank. I clean the windshield. I clean the windshield. I sweep the garage floor. I sweep the garage floor. I organize my tools. I organized my tools. I fix the broken chair. I fix the broken chair. I paint the old shelf. I paint the old shelf. I check the battery. I check the battery. I start the engine. I start the engine. I wipe the dashboard. I wipe the dashboard.
I vacuum the car seats. I vacuum the car seats. I change the air filter. I change the air filter. I use the wrench. I use the wrench. I use the wrench. I pump the tires. I pump the tires. I wash my hands with soap. I wash my hands with soap. I drink cold water. I drink cold water.
I turn off the light. I turn off the light.
I close the garage door. I close the garage door.
Thanks you for watching my video. If you like it, please subscribe and turn on the bell. Thanks you for watching my video. If you like it, please subscribe and turn on the bell.